getting this piece fitted up. I marked some lines where I need to make some bends. All right, that panel's in, and I'm very happy with it. Looks really good. So, now I gotta make this one. Well, I think I'll go ahead and mount this one on the other side, and then I'll start working on the front ones. I have this traced out on the other side to cut this hole out, but I'm not going to do it yet because I haven't fully decided on what I'm doing as far as a fuel filler neck. So until I have that figured out, I'm not going to cut this out. Metal, I did it backwards. Instead of the piece going up, I was supposed to have a piece going down. So do a little bit of cutting real quick. I think I need to pull this thing out into the driveway to get a better look at it, to decide how I like it. I mean, it looks good. I don't know, something about the fender, this whole piece right here, I'm not a huge fan of. So I don't know if I want to maybe get this fender and cut it right here. Something like that. Because normally there's a step right here. But I'm not going to put a step on there. I don't feel like messing with that. I don't really need it. So I just got to figure out how to make these match up. Because right now, I'm not a big fan of how this is lining up. It's looking pretty good though. I'll hit up the other side. Actually, I'll pull this out probably tomorrow during the daylight. Get another look at it. Stand back a little ways and look at it. Decide if I'm going to make the other one the exact same way or change my plans. Not sure yet. Okay, we'll figure it out though. All right, we got a little break in the rain, so I'm going to try to push this thing out into the driveway. Get a look at how this bed's coming along. Yeah, I don't think I like that angle. I think I just want to make it a flat bottom. Looking at some pictures online, it looks like the original ones were flat anyway. Just come straight across. Here, here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut these off at the bottom, fix them up, make them nice and straight. Initially when I made these, I was just thinking follow the frame of the vehicle, but it just doesn't flow right. I'd rather it just be flat, which is what I think what it's meant to be anyway, originally. So let me get this back in the garage before it starts pouring rain again. I got a couple panels formed with the new shape, but still trying to get as much of the dents out as I can from hammering and whatnot. So you can see there's kind of some low spots right here. Same thing right here. I'm going to use body filler on this anyway, but I'm trying to get it as smooth as possible first before I go to that step. I gotta make some minor changes, but I'm happier with this, I think. Just looking at it from right here close up, I like it already. But what I want to do is fill in these gaps. So I'll just put a little piece of metal that comes right there. Same thing over here. I'll fill in all these spots. It's gonna bother me, but they're there. All right, so next steps are going to be filling in these gaps. And then I got to weld, because these are all just tacked in. These brackets will hold these on. I mean, this is not even fully attached. So I got some tacks I need to finish welding. Start prepping things for paint, I guess. All right, thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.